no need that. No need that. No need.
Okay, so it will be nice.
Good afternoon, members from the press. Gentlemen of the press, this is a delegation of former members of the National Assembly from Rivers State who have served the state meritoriously at different times. Our assignment today is to pay the governor a courtesy and solidarity visit, as well as make a press statement on the matters that are arising in our dear state at this time.
Dear state. So we, the undersigned members, former members of the National Assembly, Rivers State Caucus, are compelled to speak out against the apprehension and uncertainty that have enveloped our state in recent months, which you are all aware. This is one of those times in life of our beloved state when silence is no longer golden. We cannot, in good conscience, continue to play the ostrich when our hard-earned democracy, including the peace and stability of a state that has been built on the blood of heroes, are threatened. Our concerns, therefore, are: we are deeply troubled by the anxiety, hysteria in our state. We recognize that peace and stability of Rivers State, a vital economic hub of our nation, are under siege. Our position, therefore, 1, regardless of our political affiliations, which you know that we are not on party basis, we stand united in an unwavering belief and conviction that the unity, peace, and progress of Rivers State are paramount and non-negotiable. 2, we reaffirm our absolute commitment to the rule of law, a cornerstone of democracy that ensures no one, including the government, is above the law. We uphold this fundamental principle, which safeguards justice, equality, and accountability for all. We emphasize that the tenure of local government councils must be respected in accordance with the constitution of the land. 4, we believe that the calls for a state of emergency are unwarranted and have every confidence in the government's ability to address any challenges that may arise. We trust in the capacity to maintain peace and stability in Rivers State. We reject all attempts to undermine the progress of Rivers State for personal gain and urge the people to reject and oppose such efforts. We commend Governor Siminalayi Fubara's efforts to promote peace and development and urge all Nigerians to support his initiative. We urge all well-meaning Nigerians to support Governor Siminalayi Fubara's mandate, which has been affirmed by the Supreme Court of the land without fear, favor, or distraction. Our prayer: O God of creation, grant this one request. Help us build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed. Long live Rivers State. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Dated this day, and of course you have all of us append our signatures. I'm going to leave a copy of this press statement to you. Okay. On my right, as you can see, is our leader, Senator, distinguished Senator John Azutambata. Assembly. Chuama. Yeah, it's here. Then you have Brown. It's here. Then